DJI Power 500. This lists best solar generator for drones. With its bright, easy-to-read interface, anyone can navigate it with ease. It's so user-friendly, you'll be flying high in no time. The DJI Power 500 is a compact, well-designed, portable power station with a clear focus, keeping DJI drones and smaller devices powered while you're out in the field. If you're a drone pilot, filmmaker, or content creator who relies on DJI's ecosystem, this unit makes a lot of sense. While other power stations at this price point might offer more ports, none integrate DJI's proprietary SDC Lite port, making it a niche but highly useful solution for drone enthusiasts. At a 512 watt-per-hour capacity, the Power 500 sits in that mid-tier range, small enough to be portable while still packing enough juice to charge laptops, phones, cameras, and of course, drones. The port selection includes 2 AC outlets, 2 USB-C ports, 2 USB-A ports, and the SDC Lite drone charger, giving DJI pilots a plug-and-play charging solution without needing extra adapters. The LCD display is one of the best in its class, offering a bright, easy-to-read interface that clearly shows battery percentage, input-output levels, and active ports. One standout feature here is the fast charging capability, with a 270-watt standard charging and 540-watt fast charge mode. You can fully recharge the Power 500 in around 3 hours. That's impressive for a power station of this size. Plus, DJI made the smart move of using a standard IECC 13x14 power cable, so you don't have to worry about losing a proprietary charger. USB-C charging is also an option. Build quality is solid, though this isn't a rugged outdoor generator. There's no IP rating for dust or water resistance, so you'll want to keep it protected. At 16 pounds, it's light enough for one-handed carry, and the well-designed handle makes it easy to transport. If you own a DJI drone, the Power 500 is a no-brainer, making in-field charging effortless. For drone pilots and content creators, this is a portable power station that truly makes sense. EcoFlow River 2 Pro. This generator comes with an app to help you monitor your device and choose the settings you prefer. Now, if only it had a self-driving feature, it'd be straight out of a science fiction movie. The EcoFlow River 2 Pro is one of the most well-rounded portable power stations in its class, offering a blend of fast charging, smart features, and reliable performance. If you're looking for a generator that can handle camping, road trips, or emergency preparedness without the bulk of a full home backup system, this one's worth checking out. With 768 watts per hour of battery capacity, an output of up to 800 watts, and a surge capacity of 1600 watts, it's got enough juice to keep essential devices running while staying lightweight and portable. One of the biggest selling points of the River 2 Pro is its insanely fast charging speed. While most power stations take around 3 to 4 hours to fully recharge, this one can go from 0 to 100% in just about an hour using AC power. That's a game changer if you're on the go and need a quick top-up. The solar compatibility is another win, allowing you to pair it with EcoFlow's 220-watt solar panel, or even third-party panels to extend its usability in off-grid settings. The port selection is solid, with 4 AC outlets, 3 USB-A ports, a 100-watt USB-C port, and multiple DC outputs, making it versatile enough to charge laptops, drones, cameras, and even small appliances. The LCD display is clean and informative, showing real-time charge, discharge rates, and battery health. Plus, the EcoFlow mobile app adds another layer of convenience, allowing you to monitor and adjust settings remotely via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. While it's not designed for full home power backup, it can still keep essential devices running for a few hours during an outage. It won't run high-powered appliances like microwaves, but it's perfect for smaller electronics, camping gear, and emergency essentials. At 17 pounds, it's lightweight enough to throw in the trunk for weekend trips. Overall, the EcoFlow River 2 Pro is a fast, efficient, and well-designed solar generator that delivers excellent performance for outdoor adventures and emergency power needs. Jackery Explorer 500. This lists best solar generator for most people. Weighing just 6 kilos, it's incredibly portable, while also giving you the opportunity to do some light weightlifting. The Jackery Explorer 500 is a mid-range solar generator that brings a solid balance of portability, power, and efficiency. If you're looking for a reliable power station for camping, road trips, or emergency backup, this one deserves a serious look. Weighing just 6 kilos, this generator is significantly lighter than competing generators like the EcoFlow River 2 Pro. The Jackery 500 also features a rugged, compact design. It's built to be easily transported while still offering enough power power to handle small appliances, laptops, and essential devices. With 518 watts per hour of battery capacity, the Explorer 500 delivers steady and dependable power output. It supports a single AC outlet, 3 USB-A ports, and 3 12-volt DC outputs, making it a versatile choice for charging multiple devices. It can handle a laptop, phone, and electric cooler simultaneously without any noticeable power drop. While the lack of USB-C and wireless charging is a bit of a letdown, the solid build and reliable performance make up for it. The LCD display provides real-time updates on battery levels and power usage, making energy management simple. One of the standout features is its solar compatibility, pairing the Explorer 500 with Jackery's Solar Saga 100 panel, allowing the device to have continuous charging when off the grid. It makes it a great option for extended camping trips. While the 100-watt solar input limit means charging isn't the fastest, it's still an effective way to keep the unit powered in outdoor settings. Charging from a wall outlet takes about 7.5 hours, which is standard for a generator of this size. Overall, the Jackery Explorer 500 is a strong mid-tier solar generator that balances portability, durability, and functionality. It's ideal for campers, van lifers, and emergency preparedness, though power users may want more AC outlets and USB-C support. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use solar generator that can handle essential devices with ease, this one is absolutely worth considering. EcoFlow Delta Pro. This lists best solar generator overall. It can integrate directly into your home's power system, giving you solid blackout protection, a suit of armor to wear against treacherous forces like the weather and people climbing telephone poles. The EcoFlow Delta Pro isn't just a power station. It's a full-scale energy solution for anyone looking to stay powered in virtually any situation. Whether you're an off-grid adventurer, a full-time RVer, or just someone looking for serious home backup power, this 3,600 watt per hour powerhouse is built to handle whatever you throw at it. At 100 pounds and with a suitcase-style design, it's not something you casually toss in the trunk. But if you need serious, long-lasting energy storage, this is one of the best solar generators on the market. What makes the Delta Pro stand out is its massive capacity, high output, and flexible charging options. It can push 3,600 watts of continuous power, along with a 7,200 watt surge, which means it can run most household appliances, including refrigerators, power tools, and even some air conditioners. A far better option than competitors like the Anker 535 or Jackery 500 if you're looking for high levels of power. It's also expandable, stacking additional battery modules that can take you up to 10.8 kilowatts per hour of storage. On top of that, it supports 6 different charging methods, including solar, AC wall outlets, car charging, and even level 2 EV charging stations. One of the biggest selling points of the Delta Pro is its solar compatibility. With up to 1,600 watts of solar input, you can set up a full solar array to keep this battery topped up for days or even weeks. Paired with the EcoFlow Smart Home panel, the Delta Pro can even integrate directly into your home's power system, providing seamless blackout protection. EcoFlow also nailed the user experience with a large, easy-to-read LCD display and a polished mobile app that lets you track and control power usage remotely. The app connects via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, so you'll always know how much power you have left. While the Delta Pro is a serious investment, its huge storage, high power output, and versatility make it one of the best solar generators available today. If you need off-grid power, home backup, or just want the ultimate portable battery, this is one of the most capable options on the market. The Anker 535. This lists best solar generator for the money. It has an LCD display that shows you your consumption rate and estimated battery life, your solar generator's own smartwatch. The Anker 535 Powerhouse is a compact yet powerful solar generator that delivers solid performance for emergency preparedness, outdoor adventures, and even home office backup. If you need reliable portable power without dealing with gas or noise, this could be a game changer. It's built with convenience in mind, featuring a cool, no-nonsense design, a sturdy handle for easy transport, and a built-in LED light that proves useful during power outages or nighttime camping trips. At 16.5 pounds, it's not the lightest option, but it's still portable enough to move around when needed. With 512 watt-hours of battery capacity, the Anker 535 offers a dependable power source for charging multiple devices at once. It has no trouble handling a MacBook Air, iPhone, Nintendo Switch, and Bluetooth headphones simultaneously, a feature that's absent from competitors like the Jackery Explorer 500, which only has one AC outlet. The Anker 535 is capable of running for over 3 hours, with the battery only dropping to 74%. Charging speeds are also solid. Expect a smartphone to reach 100% in about 2 hours and 20 minutes, while a MacBook Air takes just over 2 hours. The LCD display provides real-time power consumption and estimated battery life, making it easy to manage your energy use. Connectivity is a major strength of this power station, with 4 AC outlets, a USB-C port, and 3 USB-A ports, allowing users to plug in multiple devices without bottlenecking the system. Overall, the Anker 535 powerhouse is a strong contender in the mid-sized solar generator category. While it's not the cheapest option, it justifies its price with versatile connectivity, reliable battery life, and fast charging speeds. If you need a dependable backup power solution for camping, road trips, or emergency preparedness, this one is absolutely worth considering.